So now we're going to go ahead and saute our greens up. I'm going to add a tablespoon of oil. And when this is hot, we'll add our garlic. So we're going to take our greens. Again, I took mustard greens. And I'm just going to give them a little chop. We'll put our garlic in. We'll let this saute for not very long because we're not really going to be adding any more liquid to this. These greens will wilt down, so we're going to dust them with salt and pepper. And then after we bring them down a little bit, I'm going to go ahead and add some cayenne pepper. If you don't have cayenne, red chili flakes will work as well.